Today I'm chilling, waiting for my food, and here's the view I have. While I'm over here waiting, I'm going to talk to you about something that's really important when you travel. Not just Colombia, all over the world. It's the fanny pack. El Canguro. You see this puppy right here? You don't want to travel to Latin America without it. You do not want to have your phone, your wallet, your money in your pocket and walking around here. Not a good idea. No da papaya. You want to get one of these, you can get them on Amazon, or you can wait and come down here and get it for about 33% cheaper in El Centro. Any part of Colombia. Every part of Colombia has these because people know what the deal is. When you're in big cities, you have pickpockets. In order to evade a pickpocket, you want to have this right in front of you. You don't want to turn it behind on your fanny. You want to have it in front of you, in the groin area. And when you walk in the crowd, you put your hand over all the zippers, and you open your hand wide, as such. You cover the whole thing. Spread your hand right across it. And I can't tell you how many times I've been walking in a crowd and I felt somebody's hand go over my hand. You know, I just look. I don't get angry. I just know it's a business for them, and I keep going. And it's not just guys. You know, women do it too. You know, so when you wear if you have a backpack, you put it on your front when you walk around. When you walk around Latin America, you put it on your chest. This is my 2 cents. No da papaya. That's what you want to say when you have this. It might not be the prettiest thing to have, but it's no da papaya. My 2 cents. Chauito.